We got it right here, bro. Bruh, barrel aged, okay? This is the Sumatra. I think this might actually be the perfect blend for this. I don't know that it could make a cigar much better than this. Also, I did a batch of Connecticut's, and those will be, I only made 1,500. They're, 1,700, and they're gonna go in Brian's box. I gotta see if we have enough for everyone in Brian's box, but Brian's box is pretty hardcore. Like, those are my guys that are already in Farm World. They're already in, PCC, and they just want more and cool stuff. So, yeah, that's what it is. One of the things I didn't like about this, the way it turned out, it's still beautiful, still oily, but that foot got box pressed. I don't like that, okay? That won't happen going forward. We're learning as we go, but these also got extremely, extremely moist, and I don't want that to happen either. So it's been a couple weeks of playing with them back and forth to see what we could do to manipulate the process better.
I can smell it from here.
Yeah. I think it's too much. We cannot release these yet. We need another week or two of letting these things breathe. Oh my God. Okay. Now, there's no structural damage done to the cigar. It's just the very foot of the cigar from having the weight of other cigars and then being put in the bag directly in a single serving bag immediately. You learn as you go. Wow. Yeah, I mean, there's a reason why I'm pursuing this so hot and heavy. And it's not just because it gives me some control over the production process, although that is a big part of it, because I know very few people will be as particular as I am about each significant detail. Yeah, it's better than other cigars on the market. It's better than most cigars. If I gave you this and told you, like, yeah, you got to try an Opus, you got to try a Padron, got to try a Davidoff, you got to try a Privada barrel aged. It's in that caliber. It's in that category. It's a special cigar. It's for special occasions, and you will not find flavors like this in any other cigar. It is not infused, by the way. It's strictly just aged in oak barrels. Flavors that I've not gotten before, but they're almost like concentrated apples and oak, and there's a sweetness in it that I've never gotten out of a cigar. Most cigars are not this sweet. The fact that it doesn't have anything added to it and it's this flavorful is what's blowing my mind. This is not Betun. I don't get into all that. There is nothing on these cigars. These are just natural tobacco. And now they've been aged for 3 months in wooden barrels. Okay, I'll tell you what I'm getting. Now I figured it out. McDonald's strawberry sundae, the strawberries preserves. It's those. The peanuts. There's like a milk chocolate. There is cedar. There is a wonderful spice on the retrohale. There's the oak barrel. And it's just creamy, rich smoke, man. What more could you ask for? It's like smoking a McDonald's strawberry sundae with peanuts on top. I'll take it. Soft serve, baby. Let's go. I'm going to do something different in the next one. Also, again, if you're in Brian's box, you're going to get a Connecticut version. Crazy about it. So let's spend a year or two figuring out the right, the wrong, and then you'll be one of those people in 10 years from now being like, yeah, I had all the first editions and I helped pick the mainstay blend. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to play around for a year or two, get it perfect, figure out the right blends, and then we'll let you guys make the decision on that, okay? So hashtag we are Privada, hashtag we are family, hashtag we are the industry. Remember, Father's Day is coming up. okay? I need room. You've seen these spaces. We need space to make for, we have 2025, 2026, 2027 coming in soon. I need to make space for that stuff. I need to get rid of things. Some of them will go for what I bought them for. It's just, it's a fact of business. When you're passionate about what you do and you overbuy, sometimes you're in this situation. So save your money for the Father's Day, the week of Father's Day.
What's the event that we're going to in June?
We're going to, I think we talked about that. We're going to, we were featured in a magazine. It's about damn time, people. I mean, we've been in a magazine before, but as of recently, we're like lepers. No one will come near us. No offense to any lepers out there. So we're featured in a magazine. They did a beautiful write-up. I mean, you read this thing and you're like, wow, look at what we're doing. So thank you all for that. Please get Cigar and Spirits. I believe the May issue. We're in there on page 90. Okay, 4-page spread. Killing it. Thank you guys. And shout out to Dita Sunglasses as well. They actually own the magazine, which is pretty cool. So, and then we're going to their event. They've asked us to come to their event. So we'll be at the Newport Beach 12th Annual Cigar and Spirits Cigar Tasting and Pairing. We will be there with cameras, with a booth, the whole deal. Come see me. Come hang out at my booth. You know it's a community. It's fun. It's family. Come out, okay?